Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Let's make Kerala bamboo biryani today. We will dry roast coriander seeds, green cardamom, cloves, cumin, nutmeg, a small piece will do, 2 pieces zaipatri, that is mace, and cinnamon, peppercorn, star anise, 3 petals, remove the seeds, and 2 dry chilies, 1 teaspoon of body shape. Try roast till fragrant. Cool and grind in a mixie jar to a coarse powder. Take 500 grams rice. Wash and soak for half an hour. One slice onion. This is sliced to grind to make the gravy for the chicken. Add it to a mixer jar. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili, half teaspoon turmeric, and grind to a paste. Now slice 3 onions. This is for deep frying. Apply 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons milk to get uniform color and good taste. Mix well. Squeeze out after 10 minutes. We will not use the liquid for the frying. Deep fry till golden. This is the perfect color. Transfer to a plate. Keep it aside. Now strain the oil. We will use this same oil for the chicken. Approximately 4 tablespoons and 1 bay leaf. Add the ground paste and saute till it leaves oil. Now add the boneless chicken cubes, half kilo. Add salt, 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon powdered masala, 2 tablespoons fresh curds. Cook on low flame till dry. Add 1 cup coconut milk. Add handful mint leaves, chopped coriander 2 tablespoons, and cook till it dries again. Now the chicken is ready. Let's make the rice. Cook the drained rice in 4 times water. Stir to avoid lumps. Don't overcook. The rice should be just enough cooked. Drain and transfer to a plate. We will steam it again, so if it is overcooked it will become too soft. Add half teaspoon powdered masala and salt, mint leaves, coriander leaves chopped. Now fry dry fruits in ghee, 1 or 2 tablespoons of cashew nut as per your choice, and little raisins. Keep it aside. Pour the ghee on the rice and mix well. You can taste and add more salt if required. Now put the coconut shell in the bamboo. Now first layer is of rice. Do not put the chicken as first layer. Second layer is of chicken. Third layer is of rice. Add little rice and on that you can add some deep fried onion and add more rice till it is full, like almost full. Now add chopped coriander and mint. Add dry fruits with a banana leaf packet. Now add 1 glass of water in pressure cooker. Close the lid without the whistle. It is ready to steam. Now place the bamboo as shown and let it steam on high flame for 15 minutes. Cover it with the coconut shell. Now steam this for 15 minutes. You can see the steam coming out. But the chicken and rice flavor has to get infused, so we need to steam it for 15 minutes. Take the rod and push the biryani onto the serving plate. Yummy, this looks too good. Remove the shell. Garnish with dry fruits, deep fried onion, sprinkle some coriander leaves. You can use the same bamboo for another set. Serve it with raita and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.